Hi everyone. Today I'll be presenting my advanced product search feature for the eShop project. So I'm in the home page. You can go to the advanced search by clicking this advanced search text. So this is the advanced search page. This feature allows users to select for select for products dynamically based on multiple filters like category, brand, model, condition, color, and price range. And it also includes sorting and pagination for better usability. So let's first see how it works, and I'll explain the codes. You can search your products in here. So I'm going to search a product. You can see the results displayed related to my search. So I'm going to select it by category. I selected laptop. You can see the results. You select desktop computer. You can sort your products by price low to high, price high to low, quantity by quantity low to high, and quantity high to low. So I'm going to press price low to high. So let's go through the code section. This is the advanced search text. I called href to advanced search PHP file. So you can go to the advanced search page by pressing this text. So here's my main file, advanced search PHP. At the top, I got the basic HTML structure and the necessary meta tags for UTF-8 encoding and responsive design. I linked Bootstrap CSS, Bootstrap icons, and my custom style CSS. I have also added a favicon using the eShop logo. In the body section, I have used a Bootstrap container and a row layout to keep the design responsive. The first The first section includes my header PHP file, so the navigation bar and common header elements appear consistently across pages. Next, I have added the page title area. There's a small column layout, the logo on the left and a centered title, Advanced Search. Then comes the main search input. I have created a text box with a placeholder type keyword to search and a search button beside it. When a user clicks the button, it calls a JavaScript function named advanced search. That zero simply means we are starting from page 1 in pagination. Below that I have added a divider line, a visual separator before the filter section. This section contains all our filter dropdowns. First, the category dropdown. I fetch data directly from the database. You can see here I included a connection.php file and used a PHP for loop to fetch each row and print it as an option inside the select box. So all available categories will load dynamically when the page opens. Similarly, for the brand dropdown, I used another query. The same pattern applies, looping through results and displaying each brand name and ID. The model dropdown also works the same way, fetching from the model table. Next, I have a dropdown for condition, populated from the condition table. After that comes color, loaded from the color table. This approach keeps all dropdowns fully dynamic, so if an admin adds a new color or brand, it automatically appears here. Then I use two input fields, price from and price to, for range-based filtering. These fields let the user narrow results by price range. This small section handles sorting. The dropdown gives the user option like price low to high, high to low, quantity low to high, high to low. The selected sort value is later passed to the backend to order the query results accordingly. Finally, the view area div is where the product cards are displayed dynamically. At first, it shows a default placeholder message, no items searched yet, with the search icon. Once a user searches, this area is replaced with a real product cards via Ajax. Now let's move to the JavaScript part, the function advanced search. This is what this is what runs when the user clicks the search button or change pages. Inside the function, I first get references to all form inputs using document get element by ID method. Keyword, category, brand, model, condition, color, price from, price to, and sort. Then I create a form data object. This is a convenient way to send all these values to the backend through an AJAX post request. I append each field into the form data one by one. Then I create an XML HTTP request, set its onReadyStateChange function, and check for ready state equal 4 and status equal 200. When the backend responds successfully, I take that response text and insert it into the view area div. So the search results are displayed instantly without reloading the whole page. It's a clean Ajax-based experience. Now let's look at the most important part, the PHP file, Advanced Search Process PHP. This file actually builds the SQL query based on all the filters that the user selected. First I include the connection file, then collect all the post variables sent from JavaScript. like search text, category, brand, model, condition, color, price range, and sort order. I start with the base query and use a $sign status variable to track whether a where clause has already been added. If a search text is entered, I use the like operator to match the titles that contain the keyword. If a category is selected, I add the where or end condition for category ID. The brand and model logic is a bit more complex because of the relationship through the model has brand table. I first query that table to find the matching ID for the selected brand and model combination, then filter products using the relationship ID. Next I filter by condition, then by color through the product has color table. Then come the price filters. For price from, price to, or between, all handled with conditional where or and statements depending on what's filled in. Finally, I handle sorting. If the sort value is not 0, I append order by clause, either sorting by price ascending or descending or by quantity ascending or descending. After building the query, I move on to pagination. I first get the current page number from $post page, and if it's 0, I set it to page 1 by default. Then I execute the query once to find the total number of matching products. I calculate the number of pages by dividing the total by 2, since I set 2 results per page. Using the limit and offset keywords, I fetch only the records needed for that page. This means as the user clicks page numbers or next or, or previous, only that part of the data is loaded dynamically. Now if there are results, I loop through them using a for loop. Inside I fetch the product image from the product image table and display it as a bootstrap card. Each card shows the product image, total, price, quantity, and availability status, and add buttons for buy now and add to cart. I also conditionally style them. If the quantity is greater than 0, it shows in stock with active buttons. Otherwise, it shows out of stock with disabled buttons. This gives the user a clear visual representation of available products. Below the products, I designed a pagination bar using Bootstrap's pagination component. There are previous and next buttons with clickable page numbers in between. The current page is highlighted with the active class. By clicking a page number calls the same advanced search function but passes that specific page number, so it loads only the data area, not the entire page. If no products match the filter, the page displays a friendly message, "No product for you," along with the same icon layout as before. That ensures the user interface always looks clean, even when even when there are no results. So that's the complete advanced search system. Thank you for watching my walkthrough.